Hello, I am Ashkan Arabi, and this is the demo for HackerHunt, which is a project that I've been working on for, I think, 3 months, 4 months, I think 4 months. But yeah, basically quite a bit. So first, let's start with a problem statement. So I think most TS students have, been in the situation where they want to start a new project. They know it's going to be a pretty big project, and obviously not everyone has time to spend, I don't know, 40 hours a week for 3 months on a project, right? So in this case, it would be very nice if you could have another team member working on the back end while you do the front end, and make a new friend and build your project faster. So this usually, currently, basically works like this, right? You have to go ask around in your class from your classmates to see if anyone's interested in becoming your teammate in your new project. But the problem is that usually they either say that they don't have time, or if they do have time, they may say that they're not familiar with your technology, and they essentially become um, a burden, right? They can't carry their own weight, and you'd rather just do it on your own if that's the case. So I saw this problem firsthand. I'm a person that likes to do a lot of projects to gain experience in various technologies, but everything takes forever alone. So I decided to make a website that solves this exact problem. So on HackerHunt, which is the name of this website, as you can see, hackerhunt.tech, you can post projects if you have cool ideas. You can specify the tech stack and you can specify expectations. Or if you don't have a cool idea yet, but are interested in checking out a specific technology, using it for a project, you can browse the existing projects and join one or request to join one that you think is interesting for you. Once you submit the application, the owner will review it and either accept you or reject you. And yeah, so it's pretty simple to understand, hopefully. But the next thing that I want to do is to actually show you how this works. So you can start by first just going into hackerhunt.tech. So it brings you here, nice landing page. And if you don't have an account, you just click on sign up. So I'm going to make a new user called, let's call it new user 11, because I have a bunch of existing users for testing purposes. So I'm just going to add this as one of those. Put your email. I don't know. Actually, let's do 21 because I think 11 is taken. Put your email, let's say f@f.com, because why not? And then let me just choose a random password. Great. So once you create your account, it's going to tell you to actually go and sign up with your account. I know why my touchpad isn't working. Oh, sorry, I was clicking on sign up. And log in with your new user account. So new user 21, password, and you're gonna get to this landing page. So when you start, you're gonna see this dashboard that is empty. If you are accepted, if you post projects, you're gonna see them here. If you are accepted to collaborate on someone else's project, you're gonna see them here. And if you submit applications to other people's projects, you're gonna see pending applications here, rejected applications here. Obviously, if you're accepted, it will show up here. So that's why I don't have like an accepted application section. So this is your dashboard. In the Explore page, you're going to see all the current projects that other people have posted. You can even click on their username and see their profile. So their username, email, and all their projects. And you can also see the details of that project. So in this case, they want to make a crypto blog, a decent looking blog where we add posts about crypto. And they want someone who is skilled in React, Tailwind, CSS, TypeScript, and Django. And they prefer if you can meet at least once a week in person for coding. There is no Discord server for this, but there is a GitHub. So if you click on it, it's just going to go to one of my previous projects. So I just have it there as a showcase. It's not really that project. And you can see the creation date, modification date, and if you're interested, you can apply right here, which is pretty simple. So as you can see, I'm going to see a pending application in my dashboard, and it makes it easy to see everything in one place. So you can always go and check this application, and if you change your mind, you can withdraw your application and it won't be there anymore. For now, let's just go apply to this project because I want to then show how to actually accept this on the other side. And while we're at it, let's check the profile page. So the profile page is basically going to be your version of the profile page we just saw. You just click on it, it goes to your profile page link, which you can share, by the way. If I copy this and paste it here, it's going to go straight to your profile page. And if you want to create a project, you do it here. So let's make a project called, I don't know. Let's make a shitcoin, or let's call it dopecoin. Nah, that's too family unfriendly. Let's call it meaningless shitcoin. Okay, yeah. Let's make a shitcoin and learn about crypto. So your skills, I don't know, you could say Ethereum. And if you press the comma, it's going to add it on the top here. If you don't want it anymore, you just click on the X and it goes away. But this is like super simple. If you want someone with like JavaScript skills, you just put JavaScript and then comma. But for now, let's just say we don't, let's say Ethereum. And for the expectations, this is optional. If you want to tell them that you want to meet, I don't know, twice a week, you could put this here. You could put your Discord and GitHub links. And in the post acceptance info, you want to put anything that you want the contributor to know after they've been accepted. So you could say, use the email on my profile to contact me about scheduling weekly meetings. I'll also share my Instagram through that email. So honestly, I don't think you should directly place your other contact information like phone number here. I'm not sure how safe this website is. I did my best, but just to be safe, just tell them to email you. And once you're done, you just submit and it gets added. So if you go to the Explore page, you're going to see it here. And if you go to your profile page, which is what other people will see, you're going to see it under your open projects. Now, here's the nice thing. Once you create a project, you can close it so other people can't apply anymore. If you change your mind again, you can reopen it or you can just delete it. And obviously, it won't be there anymore. With all that covered, let's go and accept this crypto blog project from the other side. So I'm just going to quickly log out, log back in, but this time as new user 10. Great. So if I go to my crypto blog project, you're going to see that the application is right here. So we were new user 21, we submitted an application, and if I accept it, that person is going to get added as a collaborator. So let me quickly log out and log back in on the other side. New user 21. Ah, shit. Okay, here we go. And see, projects you're collaborating on. So now we have one project that we made and one project that we're collaborating on. So if I go here, you're going to see your own name under collaborators, and you can still like withdraw from the project if you click on withdraw, but keep in mind that you'll have to make another application. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Right now I am looking for beta feedback. So if you're interested in giving me any feedback, make sure to click on this give beta feedback button. It will go to basic Google form, fill it, submit it, and you can even access this if you're logged out. So if you click on this button on the top, give beta feedback, You're going to go to the exact same form, and would appreciate if you have any feedback for this project. So yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoy HackerHunt, and I hope you find some very cracked teammates for your next project.